What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross unlocked, opened, and started if the key fob dies. So I'm going to be demonstrating this on a 2026 Eclipse Cross in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working and our vehicle's locked. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my finger's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to use the emergency key to unlock the driver's door. So I'll turn it to the right or clockwise to unlock. Now after we unlock it, it's a good idea to go ahead and throw our key back in our fob just so we don't lose it. Now as soon as I open the door, the alarm's going to start going off. How we're going to turn the alarm off is we need to start the vehicle. How we're going to start the vehicle with a dead key fob is I'm going to get in, press the stop start button, then I'm going to take my key fob and hold the back of it up to the stop start button, and then I'll be able to start the vehicle as normal. All right? So get in, press the stop start button, then hold the key fob up to the stop start button, and now we can start the vehicle as normal. Once the vehicle starts, you'll be able to drive as you normally would. And then the only other thing you'll want to do is replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to replace the battery in this key fob. And so I know I was going kind of quickly there. I just want to cover it one more time. So when you get in, you press the stop start button. Then you hold your key fob up to the stop start button. And it can be a little touchy of where you're holding it. So you may need to move it up or down just a little bit. And then from there, you'll be able to start as you normally would. Brake, stop, start button, vehicle will start. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.